Alright, let me show y'all how to kick your grilled corn up a notch, or 3, or 20. This is what we're going to do. We're going to take some corn. These are just some Bobo brand, great value corns. I usually do 6 or 8 of them in a pack. I already have one on the grill, but I decided that I was going to show you how we do it around here. Here's all you got to do. Make sure your hands are clean first. Throw some salt up on here, and don't worry, baby. Don't worry. You don't worry. This is going to be going down in the bottom. It's not going to go all in the corn. You know how corn acts. It gets that liquid, it goes down to the bottom. We're going to flip it around just like this. That's how we're going to do it. And this is defrosted. I had it sitting in this bucket, and I washed it on top of defrosting it because it came out of the freezer. Alright, so we're going to throw some salt off on there. And don't worry about that salt over there. Just dust it with some pepper like this, alright? And then if you have margarine in a tub, you can use this. It makes it a lot better. You want to smear it around. But today, we're going to do it a little different. Because I'm not going to add an extreme amount of butter, but I'm going to show you how we're going to do this. We're going to take butter, cut it down a long ways. This one didn't want to cooperate. But we're going to cut it long ways, just like that. And that's fine. We'll do it just like this and this. Throw that butter off on there. And that butter's going to melt, because this is going to end up top side up, and it's going to go down and everything. Let's cut another piece off here, show you how to do this. Oh yeah, baby. Let's make sure it's all the way. Heating up your knife under some hot water also does a really good job on this. But don't worry, this right here, this is going to work out. It's going to melt in. It's not even going to matter after it liquefies. Take this, make sure you got enough to fold over everything. This actually could have been a little bit longer. Make sure you got everything tight. Yeah, that's about even. Bring your folds in. Alright. Bring your folds in like this. Bring your folds in like this. And yeah, it's a little bit of a process, but check it out. That's how it's going to work. Make sure this is folded in like that. Covered in. Alright. Same thing over here. Flip around. If you're left-handed, you do it opposite of this. Alright. Make sure we're nice and tight on everything right there. Remember, that's top side up. Now, you could do this or not do this. You can leave it just like that and put it on the grill. It's fine. But I'm going to leave mine out there a little extra long, about an hour or so. I always take this off the grill last. So what we're going to do, this is the top side. We're going to flip it down on another piece of foil. Alright, if you want to do this on extra wide foil, go for it and make life a lot easier. You don't even have to do this. Just big long sheet and fold it up, wrap it up. I've done that. Alright, but right now we got this on sale. The Stitch Clip roll, it wasn't but like $4 I think. So yeah, that's pretty cheap these days for that stuff. Alright, and we're gonna wrap it up. Wrap it up. I'll take it. We're gonna bring this up like this. Flip it back over, make a little T on it for the top. Alright. Make sure we know that's the top. Squeeze it in tight like this. And all your seasonings is going to steam in and boil in. And if, it's going to be a separate video, if this comes out the way I want it to. Alright, oh, and also too, you could put some hot sauce. I got one pack with some hot sauce rubbed a little bit on top of there before I put the butter on top. I'm going to do this one, just salt and pepper. Alright, and get that little smoky flavor. And I put this on before the ashes even start covering the coals. About 15 minutes into the ash, like when you light your grill. Alright, there we go. Grilled corn's going to come out awesome. Put it on your top rack. Keep it off away from the indirect heat. Alright, if you want to flip it around halfway through, flip it over halfway through. That's the reason why we double layered it. Go for it. That way all of it gets the juices. Now some of it will leak out. It's going to find its way out. Don't worry. It's going to be amazing. Another video coming back at you to show you how this grilled corn looks. It's a craft of the mind. Go out there and have some fun. Make you some apocalypse grilled corn, everybody. Woo!